The Willson Hospice House is a beautiful and unique facility where the Phoebe Hospice team provides peace and comfort to patients and families, guiding them through end-of-life journeys. Donor dollars paid to build Willson Hospice House, which opened in 2010. In 2025, generous gifts paid for renovations and upgrades. Each patient room is private with direct outdoor access. Willson also includes a chapel, family kitchen, day rooms, and walking trails. And we provide respite care, allowing caregivers a much-needed break while our staff cares for their loved ones. Through our hospice services in Albany and Americus, we provide care in 19 Southwest Georgia counties, including medical, spiritual, and personal care within the home. Find out more about our services that focus on maintaining dignity and quality of remaining life at phoebehealth.com/hospice.